Hi guys, today in this video we are going to learn the use of present continuous tense. So here the important question is that when do we use present continuous tense while we are speaking in English? So let me make you know when do we use present continuous tense. So once have a look at here, you can see present continuous tense. It is used to indicate an action which is going on at the time of speaking. For example, what I am doing right now, I am explaining about present continuous, and what you are doing, you are listening to me. So these sentences lies in present continuous, which means it is used to indicate an action which is going on at the time of speaking. So for example, once I will look at the following examples. What is the first one? The boys are playing hockey. The boys are playing hockey, which means right now the boys are playing. It means now I am explaining at this time the boys are playing hockey somewhere. Now once I will look at the second example, he is writing homework. He is writing homework, which means right now he is writing homework. He is doing his homework. She is speaking vulgar language. She is speaking vulgar language. Now the fourth one is please call back as we are eating dinner now. Now for example, I got a call and now I am saying that now I am having my dinner, so that it would be better you have to call me back. It means while we are eating dinner we got a call. It means this action it's taking place right now. So once I will look at in another case, when do we use, and further we use present continuous tense for an action that has already arranged to take place in the near future, which means already the action which we are going to do, already it has pre-planned it. Already we made a plan which is going to take place in the near future. For example, the first one is I am going to movie tonight. I am going to movie tonight, which means that it means I made a plan to go movie along with my friends, along with my family members, whoever it may be, tonight. So to express this I can use present continuous tense. It means already I made a plan, already the action it has pre-planned it. Already I planned to go to movie. So in this case also we can use present continuous tense. So instead of saying that already I made a plan to go to movie along with my friends, I can say that I am going to movie tonight. In same way, in similar manner, now once I will look at the second example, we are going to Hyderabad tomorrow. It means already we decided to leave Hyderabad tomorrow. So instead of saying that, I can say that we are going to Hyderabad tomorrow. Now once see the third example, my father is arriving tomorrow. My father is arriving tomorrow, which means I am sure that already I came to know that my father is arriving tomorrow. So I am saying that my father is arriving tomorrow. Now see, furthermore, simple present continuous tense, it is used to compare with the present simple, which is used for permanent situation that we feel will continue for a long time. So once have a look at the following examples to understand. First one is I work in a company. I work in a company. This sentence it lies in simple present tense. By seeing this we can understand that it is a permanent situation. But in the next example, I am working in a company. If somebody is saying that I am working in a company, we can understand that it may be the temporary situation. Now the last and final case, we use present continuous tense to indicate the habits that are not regular but which happens very often. For example, John is constantly missing the bus. It means it is used to express habitual action but that are not regular, which happens very have often. And the last example, you can see Ramya is always crying. Ramya is always crying. So these are the situation. In these we use simple present continuous tense. So, and thank you very much. And really, if you like and appreciate my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.